Want to sell your used car but don't know where to start? Start by giving it a thorough clean both inside and out. Vacuum, wash, and wax it until it sparkles. Next, consider any necessary repairs or touch-ups to ensure it's in good condition. Don't forget about the paperwork. Gather all relevant documents such as the title, maintenance records, and any warranty information. A presentable car and organized paperwork set the stage for a smooth selling process. Once your car looks its best and you have all the paperwork in order, you're ready for the next step. Now, how much is your car worth? This is where research comes in. Turn to online resources like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, or AutoTrader to get a ballpark figure. It's important to remember that your car's value isn't set in stone. Factors like age, mileage, condition, and any extra features or upgrades can significantly impact its worth. So, take time to consider these aspects carefully. With a clear understanding of your car's value, you can set a competitive price. Next, let's create a listing that draws buyers in. The cornerstone of a compelling listing is high-quality photos. Capture your car from multiple angles, inside and out. But don't stop at visuals. Pen a detailed, accurate description of your vehicle. Highlight its key features, condition, and any recent maintenance or upgrades. Don't forget to include crucial details like the make, model, year, mileage, VIN number, and asking price. A compelling listing can greatly increase your chances of attracting serious buyers. Where should you advertise your car? The digital age provides a plethora of online platforms to showcase your vehicle. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, AutoTrader, and local classifieds are just a few options. Maximizing your reach by listing on multiple platforms can be advantageous. Now, on to inquiries. Time is of the essence. Prompt, accurate responses are key. Answer all questions about your car's condition and maintenance history. Remember, potential buyers appreciate transparency. Being responsive and informative can help you build trust with potential buyers. You've got a potential buyer interested. What's next? Well, it's time to arrange a test drive. Meet in a safe public location and accompany the buyer during the drive. Be ready to answer any lingering questions they may have about the car's condition or history. Negotiating the sale is the next step on the agenda. Be prepared to have a dialogue about the price and remember to know your bottom line. A little compromise can go a long way to secure a fair deal. Once you've agreed on a price, it's time to finalize the sale. Complete the necessary paperwork to transfer ownership. This includes providing the buyer with a bill of sale, a signed title, and any other relevant documents. Accept payment in a secure form such as cash, a certified check, or an electronic transfer. Remove your license plates and cancel your insurance coverage on the car. Remember to follow up with the buyer to ensure a smooth transition and maintain good records of the sale. Selling a used car can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Remember, preparation is key. From cleaning your car to setting a competitive price, creating a compelling listing, and finalizing the sale. By following these steps, you can sell your used car effectively and ensure a satisfying transaction for both you and the buyer.